Ngiyabona sewuthola umngani.
Isn't that what you wanted, Mom?
Yes, but isn't it a bit too soon?
Kumbula, I can't make long-term plans. If kunento engifuna ukuyenza noma kunento engifunayo, isona isikhathi esiright ukuthi ngiyenze ngaso leso. So yeah, I couldn't have chosen a better time.
All I'm saying is you need to be careful, baby.
Kodwa ma, what's the worst thing that could ever happen to me? Endluli cancer.
Umlethe umfana. Lethe loyo mfana sifuna ukumbona.
How ma? Awucabanga ukuthi kusese-early for leyo nto leyo.
Hayibo, no long-term plans, remember?
Hayibo, bengazi ukuthi sonke la endlini siyafa, bengicanga ukuthi yimi kuphela. All I'm trying to say is you guys can always meet him when I'm no longer around. But for now, can I please enjoy those little moments? Because sonke siyazi, there's no happy ending in my case.
Umlethe umfana. Ngisaphinda njalo.
Ngiyakufanda ma.
Love you too, baby.
I know.
Sanibonani. Ngizothanda ukuthi nginibonge kakhulu ngesibindi senu ukuthi ningathembe or nisethembe ngeenkinga zenu enibhekene nazo ngamunye lapha phakathi kwenu. Lokho kusho ushintsho olukhulu maqhubeka phambili. Angel. Awungitshele. How was your first experience here with group therapy?
In simple words, I think it's crazy, but interesting.
Okay, how was it crazy?
Ngibona sengathi uNkulunkulu made things easier for me ngokunginika icancer. Ngisho ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi ngizoshona nini futhi sengikwamukele lokho. Angicabanga ukuthi bengakwazi ukumelana netrauma that abodadewethu ababhekene nayo. Ngicabanga ukuthi ba strong. Ngiyathandaza nje ukuthi yonke into esikhuluma la ingangilethela depression.
Ndikhathazekile ngonkanyezi ubona nje. Joy ke kude kakhulu namhlanje. Kwaye kathethe nothethe.
Kanyeze? Khona mhlawumbe ufuna ukusho phakathi kwethu?
It's going to take time for me to be able to open up and express myself in this kind of group. It's so intense in here. It's like every word that you utter gets analyzed. I'm just worried that people might judge me after what I said yesterday.
I think Nkanyezi has a lot of things to talk about. And maybe she's shouting for immediate help.
I personally think uyasaba futhi uyasaba ne-spotlight.
You seem sensitive to her discomfort, Angel.
Ukuba ne-anxiety, ne-depression, it's like being scared and tired at the same time. It's like ukwesaba, ukwehluleka, kodwa ungenayo imizamo yokuba productive. It's like wanting a friend, kodwa ungafuni ukukhuluma namuntu. It's like running a marathon with a wheelbarrow, ngaphakathi kunesidumbu. And yet you can't wait to get to the end. Futhi ngathi ungalala phansi, inhlabathi igwinye. Uphenduke umanyola. Uvunduze itshalo kanye nezimali. Ngoba kulapho kuphela uzizwa khona ukhululekile futhi uphephile.
So, where did you say we're going after this session?
Angazi yazi, when ungadecide, I'm not that picky. Singenza noma yini.
To tell the truth, I also don't have an idea. But, you know, it could be a place that you love, where you're going to feel comfortable.
Yazi, ngicomfortable mang nawe. So why don't we take a long drive? You know, hit the highway, sisitholela ama snacks sisendleleni.
So you want us to drive?
Yes, that's what I want. I want a long, peaceful drive. Promise me one thing though.
Okay, I'm listening.
Don't fall in love with me.
How is that even possible, though?
Ngangazi, but try not to.
You above my skin with extraordinary sensation of endless bliss.
So, do you sleep with this thing, Vele?
Yeah, ekuqaleni bekunzima, but eventually I got used to it.
But can you take it off?
Yeah, I can. Why?
No, I just wanna give it a try. I just wanna put it on actually.
Oh, okay, babe.
Let's go.
Try it on.
Let's give it a try. Don't be scared, relax. Why are you scared?
Kusho bani ukuthi ngiyesaba?
Too good. Okay. This is not bad though. Give me the bag as well.
Feels good.
Yeah, it does. I'm actually going to take a walk with it. So I'll just leave this behind.
Hayibo nkokela. Uthi ngenze mina ibhegi yakho yemcamo.
Yini
Hi man.
ubonani?
Dude, go take a piss.
Uzayithatha ngithi uyongichamela.
Oh. How? That sounds so wrong.
Yeah. So it's not bad, right? Yangibona mos. Yeah? Yangibona.
Oh wow. Uzama ukungichama ngento zami. Azibuyi ibhokwe zami.
It's actually not bad though. But I wouldn't survive a day with this. It's just too much, yo. Too much at me.
Yababona abanye abantu umuntu ongamjonga ele kude umbone evuyile esoloke endwebile ethanda uzingconkolela ethanda nabantu kwaye kodwa awumazi izinto aqetha kuzo ebusuku phambi kokuba alale awuzazi inyembezi athi azikhuphe phambi kokuba alale.
Maybe even with the guys, not only girls sometimes. And sometimes we go through so much, not only because we're cowards or anything, but because depression is when your body is fighting to survive and your mind is just like andizi. Imagine.
Why are you looking at me though?
No, I'm just saying, Gokelo. Sometimes fake happiness is the worst sadness.
You know, smiling does not necessarily mean that you're happy. It just symbolizes resilience. Your mind is actually the most powerful thing. If only you fill it with positive thoughts, it can change your life. So I'm not faking myself. I'm just me. I'm just me, and that's all. So if you wanna live a happy life, there are two ways. It's either you're gonna change your situation or you change your mindset about the situation.
You know, it's so sad to see or to hear that there are so many people out there praying to leave. And that's when I made a decision that I'd rather save those who are in need. So I got rid of my soul, and a part of me remained so that I can donate with my valuable vital organs.
Can you at least be able to donate with your breath to Angel? Because all she needs is oxygen to be able to breathe.
Wakhuluma sengathi uyazi ukuthi ngiselelwe ibhodlela lami lokugcina le-oxygen.
Kusho ukuthini lo?
It means once it runs out, I'm dead.
Igcwalise ke.
kufana nokuvuka ekuseni ungazi ukuthi iplate lakho loqhamuka kakuphi. Well, for me, ukuvuka ekuseni ngazi ukuthi oxygen tank yami yovela ngakuphi. Ngoba abazali bami sebasebenzise zonke imali zabo ukuze bakwazi ukungithengela impilo entsha. To a point where I see them struggling just for mina ukuthi ngikwazi ukugcwalisa lebhodlela. Yazi ngesinye isikhathi nokufisa sengathi umphefumulo ophumayo ngavela ungene kimi. Because abantu, they don't appreciate the little things in life. Njengokuziphefumulela, ukuthimula. Angikho sure ukuthi I'm fortunate ukuthi ngakwazi ukuthwala lo mthwalo ngobonayo ngamehlo wami. You know, it's so depressing ukuvuka inzulini zobusuku, wanting to go to the bathroom to take a dump. Makumele uye laphayana kuzomela uhambe nesikhwama. I'm pretty sure ukuthi wonke umuntu olana akafisa ukuzibona eshonele toilet while taking a dump eduze kwakhe kunesikhwama. Ukhumbule, I need both my oxygen and my energy ukuthi ngikwazi ukuzikhulula, because at the end of the day ukuya toilet nakhona kudinga amandla ne-energy. Imagine ukuthi ungahlala ungakwazi ukungawarishe ngalezo zinto lezo. So yeah, Charles, ungakwenza konke kusemandleni, kodwa uzuhlala wazi ukuthi angeke uzukwazi ukusatisfy sonke. Ngoba kunabantu la ngaphandle abangekho grateful. Abazothi uma banika something, they always want more. You are a hero, and you deserve a statue. Yazi ngiqala ukubona ngele ngakujaja. Bengicabanga ukuthi uyafana nalabafana abaphaphayo futhi awazimix. But you turned out to be the opposite. Cabanga ukuthi uhlakaniphile.
Thank you. And I also think that you are beautiful. I thought that you're compatible, you know.
Well, yeah, you're good at reading people. And futhi uqinisile. I actually hate people. Abantu engicomfortable around bona abazali bami. So that's why ngena abangani.
Well, you know. It's just that you got used to spending time alone as a loner. Fela akuthi when I say I really enjoy spending time with you.
Yes, Kokelo, akaze ngahlangana nomuntu ofana nawe. Someone who talked so much but not say anything at the same time. Uyangijabulisa futhi, you excite me. And thank you for doing that.
So when I didn't even do anything.
Well, you did everything, Kokelo. I mean, you make me who I am to an extent that I even forget that I'm breathing through a nasal cannula. Yini?
I think that I love you.
No, Kokelo, don't do this to me.
No, Kibuaniti.
But I warned you to not fall in love with me.
But it's not my fault that I love you.
When this interview is very difficult for me now. Kokelo, I've already made peace to the fact that I'm dying, and all I want to do is to die in peace and sleep in peace. Angifuni ukuzithola ngiku-situation efanayo njengoSanele. You know, I've motivated myself ukuthi the day ngishona abazali bami bazozwa ubuhlungu, but at the same time uthando lwabo will be awakened. Kodwa, how do I accept ukufa njengoba sengazi ukuthi wena uyangithanda? Because I also fell in love with you the first time I saw you. This is fucked up. Ngiyasaba mina.
I still don't understand. What's happening?
Ngisaba ukuthi uzongenza ngifisa ukuphila. Ngapha mina sengisithathile isinqumo sokuthi ngiyafa.
But what if we're gonna meet? Maybe in another world.
Even if that was possible, mina ngiyazi ukuthi ngizofa nini. Wena awazi ukuthi uzofa nini.
But Angel, I think all you need to do, check, it's just open up your heart. Wabo, let us enjoy this thing called life. Live once in a while. I love you, Angel.
And I love you too, Kokelo.